be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue.
Please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell for the latest updates. I'm Jefferson Graham. I am a lifelong photographer, writer, and video maker. I am your Photowalk guide. The goal of this channel is to take you to great places in the Southern California area and other environs, show you how to light up your social media, how, when, and where to get the best photos. So Laguna Beach is halfway between Los Angeles and San Diego. It's the most Hawaii-esque of the Southern California beach cities, my favorite of them all, because of this dramatic coast with caves and tide pools, you name it.
Most beautiful views in all of Orange County. You know, Laguna Beach is built out differently.
All right, let's check this out together. We're gonna go straight to page 13. Laguna Beach has a really nice page on the top Instagrammable spots in town. And what I really love about this, no trickery. These are all shots that anybody could do with their smartphone, from sunsets to landscapes in the middle of the day, swimming pool, middle of the day, and finally Victoria Beach and the Pirate Tower. It should be noted that the city of Laguna Beach is very strict about drone use in their city, at the beach, at parks, though in their tourist magazine you'll see a whole bunch of drone shots. Don't try this unless the city of Laguna Beach hires you and you happen to be licensed by the FAA.
The top photo spot, well, the one that you see the most is Victoria Beach, where there's a picture of, it almost looks like a lighthouse, but it's not. It's more like a kind of a makeshift brick castle, you know, cone that's built up against the side of the cliff.
One of the 30 public access beaches in Laguna, Victoria is arguably the most popular with photographers, thanks to the Pirate Tower, which was built back in the 1920s. It, of course, makes for one great backdrop. Now, this ultra-chic resort might be a little rich for your blood. A room in the summer starts at nearly $1,000 a night, but visiting is free, and it's here where you'll get to snap a shot of the most famous pool in Laguna. The public beaches just off the property are very Instagrammable as well and worth the visit.
If you go up to the top there, it's top of the world. Well, it's hiking trails and mountain bike trails. It's beautiful.
Alta Laguna Park, as it's known, offers a great 360-degree view of Laguna in Orange County and is just minutes away from downtown. Don't forget your GoPro. Downtown is a great photo spot because first of all, you'll get shade on one side of the street, which will be more pleasing for your natural light portraits. Be sure to take advantage as well of the local Laguna color, like the red phone booth on Forest Avenue or the iconic gate sign. Laguna Beach is chock full of galleries, and its main art areas are just outside downtown, home to the Sawdust Festival and Pageant of the Masters. Great shows, great backdrop material. We'll end the photo walk back on Main Beach, home to for our photo walk from Laguna Beach. If you enjoyed this video, please stay tuned to some of our other Southern California beach city videos. We get around. We've been to Manhattan Beach, Hermosa Beach, Huntington Beach, Balboa Island. We love the beach community. It's a great place for photographs. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and please subscribe. I'm Jefferson Graham. We'll see you on the next photo walk.